Hi. Good morning. Hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning. Bagunnara. Good morning. No reply came. Srinivas, good morning. Yeah. Maleshwari, good morning. Bagunnara. Everyone Manchi at home. Naved, good morning. Pujita, good morning. Manish Chala, good morning. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, okay, very good. Everyone Manchi at home. Very good. What's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? What's going on? Chilling or studying? Good morning. Yeah. So what's going on? Chilling or studying? Okay, no problem. I will see in the app. No problem. Yeah. Studying, sir. We are not normal people, sir. We are ultra pro legend. So we are also chilling only, sir, but we are not chilling by normal way. We are chilling with studying. Yeah. For us, study is also a type of chilling, sir. That's why we are chilling. In life, we have to do chilling only, but right now we are chilling with study. After giving NEET exam, after getting selected, we will chill by other ways. Yeah. Right now, we are also chilling, sir, but we are chilling with study. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? शुरू करें? Good morning. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Yeah, I think in last class we were talking about two important properties of range. So first I will ask from you, can you tell me for what angle of projection range is maximum? For what angle of projection range of the projectile will be maximum? For what angle range will be maximum? 45 degree. For 45 degree our range will be maximum. Achha, what is that maximum range? What is the value of that maximum range? What is the value of that maximum range? U square by G. Maximum range will come U square by G, because theta will be 45. Sine 45 into 2 will become sine 90. That is one. So maximum range will be U square by G. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Achha, can you tell me for which two angle of projection range will be equal? If someone is saying two different angles are there but range is equal, can you tell me what is relation between those angle? Same speed but different angle. Yeah, angle must be complementary. That is theta 1 plus theta 2 must be equal to 90 degree. Or if one angle is theta, other angle must be 90 minus theta. Is their heights will be also equal? Range for complementary angle, range is equal. Is their height is also equal? No, height will not be equal, time of flight will not be equal, only range will be equal. Actually, tell me, if I give you two heights h1 and h2 and I am saying range is same, can you calculate range? R will be equal to one formula you studied in the last class. R will be equal to, come on Torga, R will be equal to 4 under root of h1 into h2. 4 root h1 h2. Yeah, 4 under root of h1 into h2. Achha, time of flight also you are saying different. So t1 into t2 will be equal to, come on, t1 into t2 will be equal to, time is also different you are saying na. So t1 into t2 will be equal to 2r by g. Just 1 minute. 2r by g. In the app, chat is disabled. I will just on the chat. Now, app people also chat will come to you. Don't worry. They are saying, sir, chat is not coming. Yeah, okay, no problem. So for them also chat will come. Okay. So 2r by g. So these are the things that we studied in the last class. Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. I will start today with some questions. First we will talk about some question, then we will study equation of trajectory. In oblique projection, equation of trajectory is left. That we'll study after doing some question. One type of question, I don't know whether I told you or not, so I'll give you that question. You try to find out. You write. You write. A ball is projected. A ball is projected. A ball is projected with initial velocity of, a ball is projected with initial velocity of u vector equal to, a ball is projected with initial velocity of u vector equal to 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. A ball is projected with initial velocity of u vector equal to 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. Find, first you have to tell me angle of projection. Second, you have to tell me H max. Third, you have to tell me range. Third, you have to tell me time of flight. And fourth, you have to tell me range. This type of questions are asked. That's why I have given you this question. Out of these four, any one can be asked in your NEET exam. A ball is projected with initial velocity of 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. Find angle of projection, find H max, find time of flight, and find range. This is a general question not related with important property of range that we completed in the last class. Come on. Angle, Sajid, very good. Angle will come tan inverse 4 by 3, that is 53 degree. Angle will come 53 degree. Very good, yeah. Kavita, that tan inverse 4 by 3 is 50 degree. Kusma is saying range, correct. Kusma, range is okay, correct. Vijay, 53 degree, correct. Time of flight, okay, 5 seconds. How you are getting 5 seconds? That thing is wrong, I think. Srinivas has given all the answers correct. Very good, Srinivas. All answers came. Srinivas has given all the answers correct. In the app, no one gave answer till now. In YouTube, answers are coming very fast. Time of flight will come 8 seconds. H max will come 80 meter. Naved, correct, yeah. 53 degree, 80 meter. Time of flight will come 8 seconds. I think Manish Shala, your answer, all answers are correct. Very good, Manish. Blessy, time of flight is correct. Sajid, time correct. Kavita, apart from angle, you have given remaining answer correct. No problem, no problem, no problem. Just see here. Yeah, okay, no problem. Just see. Maybe some people will find this question new, but just see here. How we'll be talking? Not a tough question, not a tough question, not a tough question. Yeah. Pramoda, correct. Yeah. Pramoda, correct. No problem, no problem. Can you give me idea how to solve this type of question? What is the concept? How you solved? Many of you gave the answer. How you got answer from here? What helped you to get the answer? What is actually given here? U is given as 30 I cap plus 40 j cap, means actually what they have given. Suma Raja, correct. Yeah, all answers correct. What actually they have given? Initial velocity given 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. What actually given? Yeah, ux and ui is given. Actually, in the question they have given you u. That's why we studied two formula. For H max, two formula. For time of flight, two formula. And for range, two formula. Because sometimes directly they will not give you u and theta. There they will give you ux and ui. So there these formulas will help you. So I think everyone is getting idea. Always remember, just see here once, okay, no problem. Always remember your initial velocity is given 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. 30 I cap means along x-axis. J cap means along y-axis. This is the meaning of 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. 30 I cap. I cap means along x-axis. You know already, unit vector along x-axis. J cap means along y-axis. So initial velocity has component along x-axis. How much component it has along x-axis, sir? That is I cap means along x-axis. That is ux is 30. And j cap means along y-axis. These are the part of initial velocity. So initial velocity has component 40 along y-axis. And we know component along y-axis is known as ui. So ui is 40. And once you know ux and ui, everything you can find. If anyone asks you angle of projection, you can simply say, sir, tan theta will come y by x. You already know tan theta how to find. In vectors you have studied y component is 40, x component is 30. That means your tan theta will come. Angle with the horizontal we always talk. So tan theta will come opposite by adjacent, that is 40 by 30. That means 4 by 3. So that's why we are saying tan theta will come tan inverse 4 by 3, which is also 53 degree. So from here theta will come 53 degree. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay, very good, very good. Many people, everyone is getting answer. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Now for H max. Once you know ux and ui, actually you know everything. Someone asked me, sir, h max, that's why we studied the formula. If ux and ui is given, h max will come, sir, ui square by 2g. Just patandi, ui is 40, so 40 square by 2g. G is 10, so from here we will get our answer 80 meter. If anyone asks me time of flight, I already know time of flight will be coming as, so 2 ui by g. Just patandi the value. Ui is, sir, 40 by g is 10. Means time of flight will come 8 seconds. And if anyone asks me range we know, sir, 2 ux ui by g. Now from here you can say if you put the value 2 ux 30, ui 40 by g will be 10, that will come 240 meter. Is it okay? Can I be 100% sure if tomorrow question will come like this, everyone will be able to do it comfortably without any doubt? Everyone will get the answer. Come on, give me surety. Can I be 100% sure if tomorrow they will give you initial velocity and ask all this? Definitely, sir. Without any doubt, we can calculate everything. Is it okay? Bolo. Twarga, be fast. Is it okay? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. In the app also people are saying, yeah, here also, okay, no problem, no. Acha, one more thing, just here, yeah. Okay. Acha, this is the initial velocity of projectile. If you throw, dhyan dena, be focused. One more type of question I will cover here. One more type of question which has been asked previously in the NEET also. Tomorrow also they can ask you simple concept, just here, yeah. Acha, if you see here, this is the initial velocity of the projectile. Sir, initial velocity of projectile we are getting as, sir, 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. Acha, sometimes questions are asked, they will give you initial velocity and they will ask you, find the final velocity vector. They will ask you this final velocity vector. Initial velocity vector is given 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. Can you tell me what is the final velocity with which ball will hit the ground? Kavita, very good. Kavita has given answer. बहुत बढ़िया Kavita. हाँ, Sam Pola also very good. Sam very good. Yeah, MK also very good. Always remember, if anyone asks you final velocity with which ball will hit the ground, so always remember final velocity with which ball will hit the ground. Always remember your final velocity. Yeah, Amrut correct. Yeah, Amrut Anand correct. Yeah, for final velocity, always remember x velocity do not changes. You know, in x no acceleration is there, x is 0, so x velocity will remain as it is. So here it is 30 now, 30 I cap plus 40 j cap means along x you have 30, along y you have 40. But when ball will land on the ground, x velocity will not change. You know, along x acceleration is 0, x is 0, so x velocity will remain same. Akada 30 undi, so akada also 30. But what will happen to y velocity? Here ball was going up now, so that's why y velocity was plus 40. Here ball is going down now, so y velocity will become minus 40. So that's why our final velocity will become x velocity do not changes. You know, in horizontal no acceleration is there, so x velocity will remain as it is, but vertical direction gravity is there now, so due to gravity this 40 will become, from 40 it will become 0 at maximum height, and from maximum height when it will become minus 40. So your final velocity will become 30 I cap minus 40 j cap. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bolo, 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 bolo. Everyone got the idea? Means magnitude of velocity will not change, only direction will change. Previously it was projected upward from the horizontal, now it will become downward from the horizontal. Velocity magnitude will remain same. बोल दो एक बार. हाँ, very good, very good. अच्छा, can you tell me what is speed of the projectile at maximum height? At maximum height, can you tell me how much? If anyone asks you what is the velocity of the projectile at maximum height, then जल्दी बता दो. हाँ, at maximum height, you know y velocity becomes 0. So in y no velocity, at maximum height in y no velocity will be there. Only ux will be there. That will be velocity at maximum height will become only 30 I cap. Only 30 I cap. Velocity at the maximum height will be only 30 I cap. That is ux, that is u cos theta. Because at maximum height, vertical velocity will become 0, only it will have horizontal velocity. I think everyone has got the idea. So finally, I will give you one more question where I will ask you all these things. Yeah. Is it okay? दे दूं एक और क्वेश्चन दे दूं त्वरगा. Can I give you one more question based on the same thing? Just to be more sure that everyone will get the answer. चलो, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. तो चलो, you can tell me. I am throwing the ball with initial velocity of 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. Previous year NEET question. Exactly same data I am giving you. You have to tell me velocity at the maximum height, v1 vector you have to tell me, and you have to tell me velocity when ball will land on the ground. v2 vector you have to tell me. First tell me v1 vector, then tell me v2 vector. v1 vector will come, sir, at the maximum height. We know, sir, vertical velocity will become 0. Only velocity will be in horizontal. So this will come 2 I cap. And we know, sir, when the ball will land on the ground, v2 vector, sir, I will remain as it is, but j will get reversed, sir. Vertical velocity get reversed due to gravity. So x no acceleration, so x will remain same, but y velocity will get reversed. So it will come 2 I cap minus 3 j cap. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bolo, 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 bolo. Twarga. Final I am asking. Pramod, very good. Harita, very good. Amrut, very good. I think everyone has got the answer. Nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Now one last question I will talk. Then we'll start with equation of trajectory. One last question we will talk. Then we'll start with equation of trajectory. ध्यान देना. Just here. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. One question is very famous. Okay. Very good. Now ध्यान देना. Be focused. Yeah. One question is very famous. You may have seen this question last year also. Last year this question came in JEE mains also. Previously also it was asked in the NEET exam. So one famous question I am going to talk. Thinking that tomorrow also they can give you this question. So dhyan dena, be focused. Just here, get the idea what I am trying to tell. Just here, yeah. Achha, you tell me, for example, assume one gun is there. Gun I am keeping like this. What will happen? Gun will fire bullet. Bullet will fall on the ground. Gun will fire bullet will fall on the ground. Achha, assume if I start rotating the gun like this, can you tell me bullet falling on ground will form which structure? Someone is saying, sir, you are firing. If you are firing bullet from the gun, sir, bullet is falling on the ground. If you start rotating the gun, what will happen? Those bullets will fall on the ground. Can you tell me which structure they will fall? They will form circular structure. They will form circle. So sometimes questions are asked, what is the maximum area of the circle? What is the maximum area covered by the bullets? You write the question. Come on. You can write the question. You got the idea. You write. A gun fires bullet in all possible directions. A gun fires bullet in all possible direction. Yeah. Polani, correct. A gun fires bullet in all possible directions with same speed u. A gun fires bullet in all possible direction with same speed u. Find the maximum area of the ground. Find the maximum area of the ground which can be covered by bullets. Find the maximum area of ground which can be covered by bullets. Maximum area means radius of the circle has to be maximum. Radius means here radius will be from range. Radius will come from range. Kusma, very good. First answer came. Very good, Kusma. First answer came. Remaining people also, I am waiting for your answer. Torga. Sir, you want area maximum. I know, sir, circle. Circle area will come pi r square. Sir, area maximum means radius maximum. Sir, here radius will be range. So, range maximum. Maximum range we already know u square by g. We will put there, we will get the answer. Syam, very good. Sajid, very good. In the app, no one given answer till now. YouTube, so many answer came. Ramana, very good. Amrut, very good. U to the power 4, Amrut. Pi u to the power 4. Blessy, very good. I think everyone will get, no problem, nothing to worry. Yeah. Sumja, correct, very good. Sumja, correct, very good. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Jyoti, very good. Harita, very good. Sajja, very good. Manasa, very good. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Kavita, very good. I think 2 Kavitas are there. Okay. Both Kavita has given correct answer. No problem, no problem, no problem. Just see here. I think everyone is getting, if anyone is feeling any problem. See here, for the last time, this is a famous question. Many times they ask ratio of area. 2 different bullets they will give you. They will give you 2 different guns and they will say one gun is firing with U1, one gun is, this is the question which came in the JEE Mains. Yeah. They gave one gun is firing with U1, other gun is firing with U2. What is the ratio of area covered by them? So you can divide area, you can get from there. No problem, no problem. I will simply say, just see here. So what he said, a gun is firing bullet in all possible direction. So for example, let's assume this is the gun. Don't appear like gun, but you have to assume it has to be gun. Yeah. A gun is firing bullet in all possible directions. So means in one direction it will fire like this. Another direction it will fire like this. Another direction it will fire like this. Like this it will fire. This structure is in 3D. I am drawing in 2D. That's why it will not give you clear idea. But you have understood practically when I was asking you. Yeah. So now what will happen? One bullet he will fire like this. So if you join all these bullets falling on the ground, you are going to get a structure which is your circle. Which is your circle. That means area which will be covered by bullets, area will be, sir, nothing, it will be area of circle. And circle area we know, sir, pi into r square. And if you look carefully, you'll realize that, sir, radius you are talking about, radius is nothing, sir. Here radius of the circle is same as our range. Now you want, sir, area to become maximum. For area to become maximum, radius has to become maximum. And we already know radius is range. So if you want radius to become maximum, range has to become maximum. That means maximum range we already know. Maximum radius will be same as our maximum range, sir. And that will be, sir, u square by g. Once you got the radius, put it here, you will get maximum area. Maximum area covered will become pi r square. What is r? What is maximum radius? U square by g whole square. That means from here you can get this area as pi u to the power 4 by g square. Means area will be proportional to u to the power 4. This is the question which was asked in JEE Mains. Is it okay? Kar loge? For everyone, is it okay? एक बार बोल दो, we'll move further. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Come on, Torga. Is it okay? आगे बढ़ जाएं. On board it seems like flower, but okay, no problem. But always remember, Pushpa is not flower. Pushpa is fire. That is gun, not flower. Okay, no problem. So this is how we have completed this part. Now we'll move further. We'll study one more thing. You can write equation of trajectory. We will study about equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory. We'll talk about equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory. Achha, tell me, what is meaning of trajectory? What is meaning of trajectory? What is meaning of trajectory? We are talking about equation of trajectory. What is meaning of trajectory? Jaldi batao, twarga. What is meaning of trajectory? Trajectory means path. First answer came from the app. Yeah, very good. Till now it was coming from YouTube. Now first time answer. Equation of trajectory means equation of path. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Achha, what is path of projectile? Already you know now what is path of projectile. Already we discussed in the beginning. What is path of projectile? What is path of projectile? Bolo, what is path of projectile? Trajectory means path, sir. Path of projectile is parabola. Please don't say curve, Sajid. It's parabola. Path of the projectile is parabola. Now dhyan dena, be focused. Understand the point which has been given in NCERT. Tomorrow they can ask you assertion reasoning question from there. You already know the path of the projectile is parabola. What is the proof? How you are so sure that this curve which projectile is going is parabola? How you are so sure? What is the proof that path is parabola? Someone came and he said, no, I don't believe that path is parabola. I said a path is hyperbola. I say path is circle. I say path is ellipse. Where is the proof? Kya proof hai that path of the projectile is parabola? This equation is the proof. This equation proves that path of the projectile is parabola, because when you find this equation will be quadratic in nature, and quadratic equation represent parabola. So always remember, proof of the path of the projectile, that is parabola, comes from equation of trajectory. You can write this. Then we will talk about this equation. You write, since EOT, you can write in short, since EOT of projectile is quadratic, hence we can say that path of projectile is parabola. Since EOT of projectile is quadratic, hence we can say that path of projectile is parabola, because quadratic equation represent parabolic path. So tell me, if someone asks you what is the proof that path of projectile is parabola, can you tell me what is the proof? What is the proof that path of the projectile is parabola? Come on, Twarga. What is the proof that path of the projectile is parabola? What is the proof? Someone asks you, no, I don't believe. You prove me. Equation of trajectory. So when we derive equation of trajectory, we find that that equation is quadratic, and quadratic equation represents one particular curve, and that curve is parabola. So that's why path of the projectile is parabola. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now see, what is this equation of trajectory, how we get this equation of trajectory, and then we will talk how numericals will come from here. First theoretical question I told you, proof of the path of the projectile parabola is the equation of trajectory, because equation of trajectory will be always quadratic equation represent parabola, so that's why path of the projectile is parabola. But someone says, sir, what is this equation of trajectory? What equation will come here? Sir, you are saying quadratic now. What that equation will come? So see here how to get the equation of trajectory of oblique projection. Of projectile, how to get equation of trajectory. So just see here, okay, no problem, yeah. We will derive equation of trajectory just for 2 minutes it will take. So just see here, okay, no problem, yeah. Someone says, Sir, tell me what is its equation. You are saying equation is quadratic. Okay, it will represent parabola. We believe all these things, sir. But also tell us what is that equation. So see how to get equation of trajectory of projectile. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. You already know along horizontal we take x-axis. Along vertical we take our y-axis. And if I'm having a ball, I will project the ball with some speed u and angle theta. Ball will go, it will land on the ground. Ball will go, it will land on the ground. Now just see here how to derive its equation. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, at any instant of time, always remember equation means whenever you write equation of a straight line, y equal to mx plus c, always remember that equation represent relation between x coordinate and y coordinate. Every equation of trajectory means relation between the two coordinates of the particle, x coordinate and y coordinate. For example, you study for hyperbola, y proportional to 1 by x. What is y? Y coordinate of the particle. What is x? X coordinate. So always remember equation means you have to relate x coordinate and y coordinate. Yeah, Kusma has written the equation also, very good Kusma. So just see here how we'll talk. Yeah, I'll simply say, sir, particle is moving, so at any time particle will have two coordinates. For example, particle started here. Right now, particle two coordinate will be there. One will be, sir, its x coordinate. Other will be its y coordinate. If you are able to relate these two coordinates, if you are able to relate x coordinate and y coordinate, that means I will write the coordinate of particle x comma y. If you are able to relate x coordinate and y coordinate of particle, you will get the equation of trajectory. So see here how to relate. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. If anyone asks me, sir, find x coordinate. X coordinate means displacement along x-axis. That is the meaning of x coordinate, Baba. How much it is moving in x-axis. So x coordinate means displacement along x-axis, which you already know. Sx will come ux into t plus half x into t square. We are just using second equation of motion. No problem. But you already know now, x will be 0. That means from here, x coordinate will become ux into t. Or you can say, sir, x coordinate will become ux, you already know. Ux is your u cos theta. So u cos theta into t. This is our x coordinate of the particle. Sometimes these questions are also asked, what is x coordinate after time t? So x coordinate will come. That's why I am deriving. Otherwise, I can write equation directly. But there are some hidden things in the equation. That's why we are deriving. That will give you more clarity. Yeah. Sometimes they simply ask what is x coordinate. So x coordinate means u cos theta into t. Similarly, someone asked me, sir, find y coordinate. Someone asked me, sir, find y coordinate of the particle, y coordinate of the projectile. So y coordinate means, come on, tell me. Y coordinate is displacement along which axis? Come on. Y coordinate means displacement along which axis? Twarga. Y coordinate means displacement along which axis? Y coordinate means displacement along which axis? Yeah, along y axis. Sir, y coordinate means displacement along y axis. Y coordinate means displacement along y axis, and displacement along y axis we can write, sir, ui into t plus half ay into t square. And you already know this ay is now equal to minus g because you are talking in vertical direction. From here if you see, you can write y coordinate. So y coordinate will become, I'm just putting the value, uy is your u sine theta. U sine theta into t. This minus g, if you put, it will become minus half g into t square. This is your y coordinate at any time t. This is your x coordinate at any time t. But still we have not reached to the equation of trajectory. Now I will simply say, sir, equation of trajectory means relation between x-axis and y-axis. Can you tell me who will relate? Sir, x-axis we got separately, y-axis we got separately. Can you tell me who will relate x-axis and y-axis? Who is present in both of them? Who is present in x-axis also, is present in y-axis also? Time is there. Time will relate. Time, most important thing in entire world is the time. So that's why we study time and tide wait for none. So this time will relate. From here you will calculate time. So time will come x by u cos theta. Once we will get time, that time we are going to put here and that time we are going to put here. Once we will put, we will get our equation. Once we will put, we will get our equation. So let's see here after putting how it will appear. So y will become equal to u sine theta into t. And what is t? T is your x by u cos theta. Minus half g into t square. What is t, sir? T is x by u cos theta. So x by u cos theta whole square. Now from here you can see you will get cancelled. From here you will get finally as y equal to sine theta by cos theta is your tan theta. X will be left. So x tan theta minus half will remain g x square, this square is there by, so I will write directly, this will become minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. And this equation which you are seeing here is our equation of trajectory. First you can write this, come on, you can write this very fast. Meghna, very good. Keep this equation in your mind, otherwise in the NEET you have to derive it. Y equal to x tan theta minus half gx square by u square cos square theta. If you forget, you can derive in one line. I have to explain you, that's why it took me that much of time of 5-10 minutes. But actually, if you know the concept, you can derive in one line. Once completed, you can say done, sir. And once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. No problem, yeah. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया. Now ध्यान दो. Just see here. Okay, no problem, yeah. You tell me, is this equation is quadratic in nature? I was saying in the beginning now, sir, equation will be quadratic in nature. Yes, this equation is quadratic in nature because if you observe carefully, you can assume this quantity to be A, and this remaining quantity you can assume as B. So this equation will finally become AX. This tan theta I am assuming as A. So this will become AX minus bx square. And this equation is nothing you have studied in class 9-10. This equation is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means path of the projectile will be parabola. You can write like this. This is the proof. If you see this equation, it is coming quadratic in nature. Quadratic in nature means path will be parabola. So this is what I was saying you. This is a proof that path of the projectile will be parabola. So come on, everyone will say, what is the equation of trajectory? What you will get equation of trajectory? Y equal to, come on, tell me y equal to. Everyone must remember this equation. Come on. If you are not able to type, no need to type because typing is little tough. So you can simply say in your home. You are in your home right now, so you can say there. You can speak there. Everyone sleeping in house or everyone is wake up? In the house? People are sleeping or they are wake up? Huh? Sleeping or wake up? As for that, I will ask you to say now. Slept or sleeping or wake up? If they are sleeping, make them wake up. If they are sleeping, make them wake up. Speak with such a loud voice. Come on, tell me what is the equation of trajectory? Y equal to x tan theta minus half. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah, many people. Yeah, okay. Some people are in Middle East. Okay, no problem. If they are slept, nothing to worry. Don't reduce your effort. Yeah, come on, everyone will say. Harita is typing answer. Oh, very good. Y equal to, come on, everyone will say, what is the equation of trajectory of projectile? Y equal to x tan theta minus half gx square by u square cos square theta. Let them listen your voice. Y equal to x tan theta minus half gx square by u square cos square theta. No sound is coming to my ears. You are not speaking loudly. Speak loudly. Y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. Y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. Come on, everyone is saying or not? Or only I am saying? In the studio, everyone wake up. That helper is there. He was sleeping. He wake up. He said, "What happened, sir?" Yeah. Okay. Are you sleeping? Y equal to, come on, y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. Y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. Y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos theta. Y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square yeah, gx square by u square cos square theta. Okay, no problem. Very good, Kusma. Very good. I know. Yeah. Okay, no problem. ध्यान दो. Be focused. Just here. Okay. No problem. Now main part. Sir, equation we remembered. We understood the equation. But sir, how numerical will come? Tell us that point now. Either sir, they will not ask this equation directly. They will ask numerical based on this equation. So ध्यान दे रहा. Srinivas very good, Swajanya very good, Kusma very good, Akshaya very good, everyone very good, Shruti very good, Srikara very good, Harita very good. Now ध्यान दो what I am trying to tell. What are the questions which are asked from this equation of trajectory? How questions can be framed? So always remember, first thing that you have to observe in the equation is with x always you will have tan theta. Always remember, with x we will always have tan theta. That means angle of projection will always come. First question they will ask you, they will give you equation, they will ask you find angle of projection. So for angle of projection, always remember with x what will be there? Tan theta will be there. Second question is asked find range. Can you tell me for range what you will do? If anyone asks you for range, what you will do? So always remember, for angle of projection with x, always tan theta will be there. So from there you can find angle of projection. But for range, what you will do? For range, what you will do? क्या करोगे range के लिए? बताओ. They will ask you either range or h max or angle of projection. These are the three things which are asked here. For angle, no problem. For range, Srikara is saying something. I will give you one question. With the help of one question, two questions we will do. One question I will try to make you understand how to calculate range and how to calculate angle of projection and how to find maximum height. So first question I will give you just to show you the method. Second question you will do. Come on, you can write the question. Come on. You write. EOT of a projectile is given as y equal to root 3x minus x square by 2. EOT of a projectile is given as y equal to root 3x minus x square by 2. Find first angle of projection, which is the easiest one. Angle of projection you can tell by seeing the equation only. So first angle of projection, second range, third H max. जल्दी बताओ. Angle will come 60 degree. Yeah, Amruta correct. Very good. Everyone has said angle will be 60 degree. बहुत बढ़िया. So angle is the easiest thing to find. Tell me about range and H max. How much range will come? Kavita range correct. Very good. Ramana range correct. Very good. Manish Chala also said the range. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Many people have said the range also. Jyoti angle will come 60 degree. Range will come 2 root 3. Jyoti correct, yeah. H max again we have to calculate. H max will come 1.5. Yeah, okay, no problem. Many people are knowing. बहुत बढ़िया. Akshay Sharma, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, very good. हाँ, okay, no problem, no problem. So just see here. No problem. Learn from one question, then next question you can do. Lakshmi Manasa also very good, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Akshay Sharma very good. Kaf very good. Srinivas very good. I think everyone is getting. No problem. Yeah. So just see here. एक बार देख लो. I will tell you the method where you don't require to remember anything. Directly this equation itself will give you everything. So come on, leave your copy, be focused what I'm trying to tell. Just see here how we'll be talking. Very simple method I will tell you, and there you don't require to remember anything. Directly you from equation only everything will come. Equation will give you everything. Dhyan dena, just see here. Okay, no problem. Just see here. Okay, no problem. First thing. Sir, whenever angle is asked, now always remember angle is asked with x. This is what I was saying you in the beginning. With x always you will have tan theta. So from here if anyone asks me angle, I will simply say, sir, you want angle now? I know with x always tan theta will be there. That means tan theta is, sir, root 3. That means theta will come, sir, 60 degree. If they ask you only angle, you are lucky. Directly answer will come. So tan theta will come root 3. So theta will come 60 degree. Now just see here. Yeah. Main part is how to calculate range and H max. Dhyan dena, be focused. Nothing to remember. Directly you will get the value of range. Always remember, range means, dhyan do what I am trying to tell. Range means ball has landed on the ground. This is the meaning of range now. You tell me range means what? Maximum horizontal distance now. Range means ball has landed on the ground. You tell me if the ball has landed on the ground, what will be height of the ball? X coordinate will be equal to range when ball will land on the ground. At that time, can you tell me what is height of the ball? Height will be 0 now. Height will be 0 means y will be 0. What is y-axis? Y-axis is your height. It is your vertical axis. I will simply say, so always remember, whenever equation is given, anyone asks you about range, always remember, for x equal to range, ball has landed on the ground. That means for x equal to range, y must be 0. Put y 0. In equation, put your y 0. Range means what? Ball has fallen on the... Are you not seeing? So range means what? Range means x. And when this x is equal to r, at that time, where is the ball? Ball is on the ground. So at that time, y will be 0. So range means range, x will be equal to range when y will be 0. So in equation, whenever range is asked, put y 0. Put y 0. So 0 will become equal to root 3x minus x square by 2. Now from here you can send this side and you can get root 3x will be coming as x square by 2. X will get cancelled. You will get x, which is your range also, that will be coming as 2 root 3. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell? So whenever range is asked, put y equal to 0. हो जाएगा? बोल दो बोल दो बोल दो बोल दो, थोड़ा त्वरगा त्वरगा, जल्दी से जल्दी से जल्दी से एक बार बोल दो. You can do MK, you can do like that, but sometimes a student make mistake in that. That's why I'm not saying that method. This is easiest one. ये सबसे आसान है without any doubt. Sir, range means क्या? Range का मतलब क्या है? Ball has fallen on the ground. If ball has fallen on the ground, what will be height? 0. Y coordinate will be 0. Directly put. From there it become easiest way. You can relate from there also, no problem. That also I will say, no problem. So x will be coming as range will be coming as 2 root 3. Acha, you tell me for h max what you will do. If anyone asks you maximum height, then what you will do? For h max what you will do? For maximum height, so always remember, already you calculated theta. Theta you will already get. Range you already got. So h max, for h max always use tan theta equal to 4h max by r. First find theta, find range. If h max is asked, use this result, you will get the answer. For example, in this question, tan theta was how much? Root 3. This will be equal to 4h max by r. And what is our r? R we calculated, sir, 2 root 3. Now from here you can calculate, you can cross multiply. So this will become root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 2 into 3, this will become 6 by 4. That is h max, that will give you, h max will come 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5 meter. Very good. Most of the people got. No problem. Yeah. If you are feeling comfortable, some people are using their own method. If you are feeling comfortable in that, you can use it. No problem. I'm not saying use only this method. So many methods are there which you can use. This is also okay. If you are feeling comfortable in your method, then that is also fine. No problem. Yeah. Shall I give you a last question? चलो एक और question बनाओ. तोरगा 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 तोरगा. Final. Y equal to x minus x square by 4. Tell me angle of projection. Tell me range and tell me h max. Come on, Twarga. Angle of projection साफ दिख रहा है, sir. Sir, here with x1 is there, so tan theta will be equal to 1, sir. That means theta will be equal to, sir, 45 degree. Done. One part done. Sir, for range, I know, sir, range means put y0 for range, put y0 because ball has landed on the ground. So put y0. Once you put y0, this will become, sir, x, this will become equal to 0. So this will become x square by 4. From here x cancel, x will come 4 meter. That means range will be coming as 4 meter. So range will come, sir, 4 meter. No problem, no problem. If anyone asks you h max, you can use, sir, tan theta equal to 4h max by r. So what is theta here, sir? 45. So 45 means 1, sir. This we already know, 1. 1 will be equal to 4h max by r. What is r? R is 4 meter. 4 cancel, means h max will come 1 meter. This is the speed you will get by doing this method. Yeah, no doubt, nothing. Directly answer will come. 40. Yeah, very good. Everyone has said the answer. Rajeshwari, Om Prakash, Jyoti, Om Prakash, Kavita, Pramoda, Amrut. Okay. No problem. No problem. Done. Bol do. Come on. Tell me. Everyone got? Is it okay? Everyone got idea about equation of trajectory? समझे क्या? Kusma is saying okay, sir. What is okay? Say yes, sir. Okay, no problem. Now ध्यान देना. Be focused. Just see here. Okay, no problem. हाँ. ध्यान देना. Be focused. हाँ. Let's see, Syam. Now ध्यान देना, be focused. Understand what I'm trying to tell. What I'm trying to tell. Just here, okay. Always remember now, sometimes equation of trajectory is used in another form also. There are two forms of equation of trajectory. Sometimes what happen, range of the projectile is already known. Sometimes range of the projectile is already known. There, if range of the projectile is already known, there you can write equation of trajectory also as. y equal to, this is also another form. We already know now y equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. If here you do little arrangement, something common, something multiply, something divide, what will happen? What will happen? You can get the range here. What I'm trying to tell, if you multiply something, divide something, what you'll find here, you'll get in the terms of range. This equation of trajectory may be converted in form of range. If you convert in the form of range, it will appear to you like this: y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r, where r is your range of projectile. This also help us sometimes, and this also help us some places. This type of equation of trajectory will also help us. You can write this also, come on. But use this only when you are knowing the range of projectile. Some questions are asked where range is already known. There we use this equation of trajectory. And you can get from here. You can multiply with sign, you can divide with sign, then you can bring this 2 down, g also down, then range will come here. Are you getting? Shall I derive it? Derive kar दूं? Or it's okay? बोल दो. Not required. You can convert, you can multiply, you can do by yourself. That is your homework. Do by yourself, derive it by yourself. Multiply with sign, divide with sign. Remaining things will come. Multiply with sign here. Here multiply with sin theta, divide by sin theta. Then everything will come. Everything will be arranged. It will come in the form of range. Bolo, done. Bol do. I want to tell one type of question from there. That's why I'm talking. It's not okay, you have to derive it. Derive after class by yourself. Now dhyan dena, just here. Okay, no problem. Just here how question is asked. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Just see. Okay. What happened? Sometimes they will give you question like this. एक बार देखना, be focused. Numerical you have to do by yourself. I will tell you the process of this type of model. This type of question, I will tell you the process. What happens sometimes? What happen? They say like this. They will say, at some distance x1, one building is there whose height is at some distance x1, one building is there whose height is y1. And they will say, when a ball is thrown with speed u, this ball just crosses this building and fall on other side at distance x2. Now from here they will ask you to relate initial velocity, angle of projection. Generally they ask you to relate angle of projection. Can you relate? You can relate here. What is range? Come on, tell me what is range. What will be range here? They will say ball crosses the tower, distance of tower they will say, and they will say ball lands on other side of tower at this much of distance. So first you will calculate range in this type of question. Tell me what is range. बताओ कितना आएगा range? जल्दी बता दो. अरे तुम्हारा how much range will come? x1 plus x2. Now what will happen? Now you can use equation of trajectory to relate them, because you already know the range. Whenever you know the range, directly use equation of trajectory. So y equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. Now from here, sir, what is y? Y will be your y1. That is the height of the building. Height of the building will be your y1. So y1 will be equal to x will be your x1. Where at point, this is the coordinate na baba, x1 comma y1. x1 is that value of y when your y is y1. So x1, x will be your x1. x1 into tan theta into 1 minus x1 by r. What is your r? x1 plus x2. You can write this. We will do one question from here in the next class. I will tell you one question. Is it okay? Bolo. Twarga. Is it okay? समझे क्या? नहीं समझे? Did you understand? No problem. No. So we'll do one question from here in the next class. Don't worry. We will do one question from here. Then you'll get exact idea. So this is how we have talked about today's class. Remaining things we'll study in the next class. For today we'll be ending class here only. Tata, bye bye. Study well, work hard. You have to become doctor next year. Always keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you are wasting time, you should always think, no, I should not waste time. Next year, Nenu doctor Kawali. Next year, Doctor Tag Kawali. For that, work hard. All the best. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Bye 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 bye. Finally, come on, yeah, come on.